Hello, my name is Sean from the Global Life Settlement Exchange. We are the world's first free life settlement auction marketplace. Today I'm going to talk about what happens to your life insurance policy after a life settlement. Life insurance policies are designed to provide financial protection to your loved ones after you pass away. However, your insurance needs may change over time, and you may find that you no longer need your life insurance policy. In such cases, you may consider selling your policy through a life settlement. In this video, we will discuss what happens to your life insurance policy after a life settlement, and whether selling or surrendering your policy is the best option for you. Life settlements offer a lump sum payment. A life settlement is a financial transaction that allows you to sell your life insurance policy to a third party in exchange for a lump sum payment. The lump sum payment that you receive from the sale of your policy is typically higher than the cash surrender value, but lower than the death benefit. The amount you receive from the sale of your policy depends on various factors, such as your age, health, and the face value of your policy. Generally, the older you are and the larger the face value of your policy, the higher the lump sum payment you can expect to receive. However, the lump sum payment may also depend on market conditions and the number of investors interested in purchasing your policy. The new owner assumes responsibility for the policy. Once you sell your life insurance policy through a life settlement, the new owner assumes the responsibility of paying the premiums until the death of the insured. The new owner also becomes the beneficiary of the policy and receives the death benefit when the insured passes away. The death benefit is paid to the new owner tax-free, and they are free to use the proceeds as they see fit. The new owner assumes all the financial responsibility of the policy, including premium payments and administrative fees. Surrendering your policy versus selling your policy. Surrendering your policy means canceling it and receiving the cash surrender value, which is the amount that your insurer will pay you if you cancel your policy. Surrendering your policy may be a good option if you no longer need your policy and can no longer afford the premiums. However, surrendering your policy may not be the best value for your insurance policy. The cash surrender value is often significantly lower than the death benefit and may not provide you with the financial security that you need. Selling your policy through a life settlement may provide you with a higher lump sum payment than the cash surrender value. The lump sum payment that you receive can be used to pay off debt, cover medical expenses, or invest in other financial opportunities. However, selling your policy through a life settlement may not be the best option for everyone. If you still need your life insurance policy to provide financial protection to your loved ones, selling your policy may not be the right choice. Similarly, if you are in good health, your life insurance policy may be worth more if you keep it and continue paying the premiums. Life settlements may have tax implications. The proceeds of a life settlement may be subject to federal and state income taxes, depending on your specific circumstances. For example, if you sell your policy for an amount greater than the premiums you paid, the excess amount may be subject to income tax. Additionally, if the policy has been transferred within the past 3 years, the proceeds may be subject to gift tax. It is important to consult with a financial advisor or tax professional before selling your policy to understand the tax implications. Choosing the best option for your policy. Choosing whether to sell or surrender your life insurance policy depends on your specific circumstances. If you no longer need your policy and can no longer afford the premiums, surrendering your policy may be a viable option. However, if you need a lump sum payment to cover medical expenses or pay off debt, selling your policy through a life settlement may be a better option. Global Life Settlement Exchange, your trusted partner. Consider listing your policy on our free, no-obligation auction marketplace so that buyers can compete for the best deal available depending on your particular circumstances. Global Life Settlement Exchange, GLSE, is a marketplace that specializes in life settlements. We have a thorough awareness of the market and assist policyholders in selling their insurance policies for the highest price possible through a transparent auction. The first free life settlement auction marketplace in the world, Global Life Settlement Exchange charges no fees to sellers. The process is simple, and there is zero fee and obligation to the seller. You just need to provide your policy details to us, and that's all you need to do. You will receive the highest offer from the market in a few weeks or so. Unlike traditional brokers, GLSE does not charge a fee for its services. This means sellers keep more of the money from the sale of their policy, which can be a significant sum. Even if you have already hired a broker, a seller like you can still acquire a second opinion. GLSE gives the seller complete control, allowing them to select the best offer without being constrained by middlemen, brokers, obligations, or fees. The traditional process of selling a life insurance policy involves working with brokers who have access to buyers. These buyers determine the value of the policy, leaving sellers with little control. However, with GLSEs, sellers have complete control over the process. They can choose to accept or reject offers as they see fit, without any obligation or fee. This puts the power in the hands of the seller. Life settlement was predominantly a buyer market, where buyers determine the value of the policy. However, GLSE is shifting the balance of power to the seller. By providing an open and competitive marketplace, GLSEs puts the seller in control of the process. The seller can choose to accept or reject offers as they see fit, ensuring that they receive the best possible value for their policy. In conclusion, Global Life Settlement Exchange is revolutionizing the life settlement market by increasing transparency and putting the power in the hands of the seller. With GLSEs, sellers can receive the highest possible offer for their policy, keep more of their money, and make an informed decision about whether to sell. Our zero-fee platform provides a no-obligation opportunity for sellers to explore their options, and the elimination of middlemen ensures that sellers receive the full value of their policy. GLSE is transforming the life settlement market, providing a fair and competitive platform for sellers to receive the value they deserve.
Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please hit the like and subscribe button to support us.